wake up in the night after having horrific nightmares, or in those dreams, have you ever been chased or found yourself naked? Believe me, these nightmares are not some random images stuck in your head, but in reality, they are mirroring the thoughts of your subconscious mind. So stay tuned till the last to know about the meaning of some common nightmares. Experts believe that our nightmares and dreams echo patterns of human behavior, so they reflect who we are and what is on our minds. We all have some common nightmares, and these are increasingly common phenomena. There is no proper explanation available as to why we dream. Although scientists have been studying the phenomenon for a long time, but there are still no conclusive results to prove that dreams are meaningful virtual reality. But some of the dreams or nightmares have some meaning, which we are going to explain now. Being chased by someone is a dream that we tend to have quite often. We feel like somebody is chasing us and we are running breathlessly. We often don't remember who is chasing us or why. This is symbolic of us running away from something that needs to be attended in life. By solving the issue, we will be able to put an end to such dreams. Alternatively, when you are being chased by someone desirable, it may be a sign to you that your relationship is blossoming and leading somewhere. Suddenly falling down from somewhere is often a dream that most people have. It might not always be falling from a tall place and can also be falling on the floor while walking. This can be indicative of losing a power or being pulled down by something. It can also mean that you have a bigger problems in your life that you are neglecting. However, on the other hand, some people look at it as being a reliving experience. It is like they are letting go of a bad situation and falling into a good one. Being nude is a nightmare of sorts. Many people dream of being nude in public and being laughed at. This might be indicative of a fear being judged by the people in general. It can also showcase a fear of a secret coming out that you have been trying to keep safe. If you have these dreams on a recurring basis, you need to take a real look at your life and find out what it is that making you feel so unsafe. The loss of something can generally signify a negative aspect of life. However, it might also portray something positive. It might mean that the person is about to lose something but gain something in return. This is quite a positive aspect. Being late in your dreams represent your worries and anxiety about taking a different direction in life. It also means you are trying hard to get things done, but you are running out of time. Also, such dreams signify your expectations and worries that you are unable to live up to. Death dreams can be alarming. Whether you dream that you or a loved one die, a death-related dream might feel like a dark portent for the future. But in reality, they are much less sinister than they may seem. This dream is really about some kind of change or ending you're dealing with in your real life. Here are some things that you can do towards attaining a good night's sleep by staving off unwanted bad dreams and nightmares. Diet plays a very important role in the type of dreams that you will have. In order to possess a healthy mind, you have to consume foods that will help you fall asleep fast. This can include food rich in tryptophan. This includes turkey, fish, and soy. Avoid alcohol consumption right before bedtime. You have to bust your stress and reduce it down as much as possible in order to sleep well. One great way to deal with stress is by exercising. When you exercise, you increase the level of serotonin in your brain, which helps you sleep better. You must have a clear mindset when you wish to fall asleep. If you don't, then you are sure to experience bad dreams. Do not expose yourself to gory imagery. You must not watch television or shows that leave behind violent images in your mind. You have to prepare a calm and conducive atmosphere in your room in order to have a positive dreams. Some scientists are of the opinion that sleeping on your back increases chances of having nightmares. So you have to try and find comfortable positions that will prevent you from the sleeping on your back and keep your mind alert. If you like the content, then please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.